In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage projects in Zoho Projects. To get started, you will first set up your project. This is the foundation for everything you will do later, so take a moment to enter the details carefully. Begin by looking at the left sidebar in Zoho Projects and selecting the Projects tab. This takes you to the main area where all of your existing projects live. Once you are there, move to the upper right corner of the page and choose New Project. This opens the project creation form, where you will define what this project is and how it will be organized. Now enter your project title. Choose a name that is clear and specific, because this is what you and your team will see in lists, dashboards, and reports. A good title makes it easier to find the right project later and reduces confusion when you are managing multiple projects at the same time. Next, set your start date and end date. These dates help Zoho projects place your work on timelines and calendars, and they can also make planning and progress tracking easier. If you are not fully sure about an exact end date, choose the best estimate you have, since you can usually adjust dates later as the plan becomes more accurate. After that, select a project layout. The layout determines how your project is structured inside Zoho projects, including which fields or sections you may see as you manage tasks and activity. Use a layout that fits your workflow and the type of work you are managing. A consistent layout across projects can also help teams move faster, since everyone knows where to find information. Then choose your privacy setting. If you select private, only project members will be able to access it. This is best for internal work, sensitive initiatives, or projects that are still in planning. If you select public, all portal users can view the project, which is useful when you want broader visibility across the organization. Before you decide, think about who needs access and how open the project information should be. Once everything looks correct, click Add. Zoho Projects will create the project and make it available based on the settings you chose. That covers everything you need to know.